This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murek. Newly updated 3-bedroom and 3-bath waterfront pool home in the heart of Wilton Manors. Home boasts a bright and open floor plan, chef's kitchen including high-end appliances and stunning quartz countertops. All 3 bedrooms are en suites featuring luxurious fitted bath. Sunroom overlooks sparkling pool and river. Bring your boat as there is 65 feet of water frontage and river has ocean access with fixed bridges. Short stroll to all the island city has to offer. Home is priced accordingly as new owner may wish to redo pool area to their taste. 3rd bedroom is flex space currently used as an office. A sliding door can be added and there is a closet in the adjacent bath. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murek at 954-449-2700.